everybody, we are here at Disney's Riviera Resort. We have a 2-bedroom villa and I'm going to take you on a tour, so let's check it out. You're in room 8735. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, so you walk in, you have a nice little like coat rack here. It's marble, very, very pretty. Obviously this is the main area. Left, right, which way should we go? Let's go left. It's really pretty. It's kind of like, it's a mirror. Closet here with stuff. It's very deep, lots of room for suitcases, a top shelf that's, you're gonna need somebody very tall if you put a lot of stuff up here, because I can't reach all the way back and I'm 5'10". We will continue on in to this bedroom. So the artwork in this hotel is extraordinary, and you can order and purchase the artwork in this hotel downstairs in the gift shop. There's a nice little kind of chest of drawers here, a little space down here. I do love that DVC resorts have lots of storage. Here is one of the bathrooms. It's gorgeous. Look at the tile. And that's all the way around. Nice shelf. Fixtures are beautiful. All of your shampoo and conditioner and body wash. Nice sink, beautiful mirror. Lots of light. Your makeup mirror. I love the finishes in here, so pretty. And your water closet also has the shower. Some more fun artwork. The shower is lovely, super spacious, really pretty tile work over here. Nice huge bench. What a nice bathroom. This is a really, really nice bathroom now. Then you can kind of come through the bathtub part or through this main area, and here is the 2-queen bedroom. Another nice large mirror, another nice large closet. Goes all the way back with shelves. Beautiful, nice chair. Gorgeous beds. This resort is so pretty. The artwork. I love that light fixture. That is nice. You have, okay, so you have nightstands, 3 of them. You have one on either side of, you know, the outside of the beds, plus there's one in the middle. Tons of outlets, regular outlets, USB outlets. The switch for these lights. You have, I mean, the nightstand has 3 drawers. And they all do. Another set of outlets there. And wait for it, another set of outlets here. So if you can't charge your stuff in this room, then you have too many electronics. Another gorgeous, gorgeous mirror, and a chair that mirrors the one on the other side. Your TV. This is a nice dresser with 3 giant drawers in the middle and 3 pretty good sized drawers on each side. And here's one of the balconies. And so you guys know this is a standard view room, but there is Spaceship Earth. So Swan and Dolphin. Get like an amazing view of Epcot. Guardians. This is incredible. There's the front of the resort. Hi, Mike. Mike. That's our balcony too. Alright, let me scoot back in. I can't wait to watch the fireworks from here. It's a table and two beautiful chairs with the Riviera Resort emblem. Alright, hopping back inside. And it's a newer resort, so this is one of the rooms that has the storage underneath the bed, so tons of room for stuff. Oh, look, the bed also has these drawers underneath. Holy smokes. I thought my house had a lot of storage, but not like this. All right, going back through. Still so much to see. All right, we're out of this wing. I'll just go straight across. This is probably laundry. No. This is another huge closet. Your extra blankets. Oh, you have a steam iron. That's nice. I don't like to iron things, but that is nice. That's a nice iron. You have your ironing board, hangers, broom, vacuum. Right behind me, here's the washer and dryer. Gotta love a DVC room. Your little collapsible hamper. All right, continuing on to the master. Oh, it's the bathroom. Okay. Nice fixtures in here too. Beautiful, huge mirror. That's really pretty. This is ooh, this whole thing opens. That's nice. Storage on either side. I'm a little surprised it's not a double sink on either side, but pretty artwork. Your toilet. I actually really like that trash can. Here's your shower. Nice. Beautiful shower head. A little bench again. Nice. Ooh, and a shelf. Oh, these bathrooms are really nice. I like this. That's pretty. And then continuing in here, you have this enormous bathtub. Oh, this goes like the whole length of my arm. You have the jets. Oh, this is a really nice soaking tub. Really nice. Beautiful chandelier. This is why there's not a double sink, because there are two separate sinks. And again, tons of storage. Storage underneath, the drawers. I love the gold accents. That's really cool. Pretty, pretty. And, oh, fancy. They open as one into the master bedroom. Mirror, king size bed. Look at that headboard. That's really nice. I like a tufted headboard. Little sitting area here. Outlets again. It's the same dresser that's on the other side with the 3 big drawers in the middle and 3 smaller drawers on either side. TV. Another balcony. My parents are out there. Mike's out there. You can access this from the master and the family room. This is a cute chair. This is one of my favorite pieces of artwork in this whole hotel. It's from Aristocats. There's Berlioz, Marie, and Toulouse. So cute. Really like this nightstand. That's really pretty. And again, places to charge. All right, now we're headed to the actual common area. Beautiful curtains. That's gorgeous. Beautiful windows looking out. You have a couple of chairs. You have a nice big couch. That's a really long couch. Your little table here, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, that lifts up. There's storage in there. You have an ottoman, and I'm pretty sure it's the same deal with this. Storage in there. This is beautiful. Oh. And this is going to be your Murphy bed, so this will pull down. Oh, look. It's Peter Pan. I love it. So this pulls out, and I'll show you this once it's all pulled out. There are even cubbies in the Murphy bed with USB ports and outlets. So cool. More beautiful light fixtures. This kind of matches the one that's in the master bathroom. More pretty mirrors, a banquette. Oh, look. It's the Riviera. That is stunning. So the seats, I don't even know how many. You have 2 chairs and then like 3 and 2. So the whole family. All right, so you have your fridge and freezer, full size. It's a DVC room. There's storage up top. There's your Cuisinart coffee maker. That'll be useful in the morning, although they have Le Petit Cafe, which is a great place to get coffee downstairs. There's my shine bottle. Oh, knives and measuring spoons, corkscrew, pizza cutter. Lots of good things there. Pots and pans, your oven and your stove, microwave. Nice. There's slow close cabinets too. Wine glasses and serving dishes would be good for like pasta. But yeah, they're slow close, so that's really nice. I love your plates. I love these kind of plates. Nice bowls. The dishes here are really nice. That backsplash is beautiful. Y'all, this room is gorgeous. Pyrex. Just keep going. More glasses, juice glasses, mugs, creamer and sugar vessels. Oh, ice bucket. Make some punch. Toast. Here are all your coffee accoutrements. This is gonna be your trash, your dishwasher. Goodness. Recycling and all of your dishwashing stuff. It's actually a really nice sink. You have your silverware. One more place. There's more Pyrex, your colander, measuring cups. And I think that's it, everybody. I think that's basically it. Oh, I did miss this. Oh, no, this is a big thing to miss. This is another bed. I forgot we slept more people. Mickey and Pluto just hanging out. I almost missed an entire bed. So it sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This room sleeps 9. Pretty comfortably, I'd have to say. I'm gonna pop outside and show you the other balcony that we have, but that's pretty much it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous room at a pretty new resort, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm blown away. This is our first time staying at the Riviera, so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed here. It's stunning, I have to say. And I guess we'll see you next time. Bye. Here we go. I've gotten a noise complaint. You guys are too loud out here.
Hey.
Well, you're the one that shoved us out here.
Too loud.
Take the
We were talking about your vehicle and the windshield and the cracks.
You did that.
I was driving. I didn't do it. A rock. I can't help a rock.
I know, it seems like you're irresponsible. You're such a jerk. Hey, everybody. He's so mean.